Hello everybody, this one I'm going to do today, for this morning, is going to be, well I'm not going to tell you, it's either going to be delicious or it's going to be disgusting. You make your mind up. I think it's delicious and I think it's very comforting. So let me show you and see if you can work out what I'm going to do. Right, first things first, kettle on. Boil the kettle, tea bag in. I use sweetener, not sugar. One sweetener, toast in the toaster. Kettle's boiled. Age old question, milk before your water or water before your milk? I always have milk first, water. Let your tea bag do its thing for a couple of minutes while the toast is doing. Just going to turn my toast over now to get the bottom half done. You know what I'm doing yet? Have you worked it out? Toast is done. Some butter. Loads of butter you want. You got to work it out by now, ain't you? Surely to God. Got to have worked it out. Oh yes. Get the next one on. Cut it in half. That's right. Toast. Dunking in your tea. Absolutely love it. I really do. I know people think it's delicious and people think it's disgusting. I think it's absolutely delicious. Let me know if you've done it before. And then you get all that butter and all them bread bits in your tea. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So nice. Nat thinks I'm disgusting doing this. Get all them bits in there. Oh yes. Well happy. See all the bits, look. That's what makes a cup of tea. Let me know if you do this. Let me know if you think it's disgusting. Or is it just a Birmingham thing? I don't think it's just a Birmingham thing, is it? Sure it's not. Well, there we go. Something nice and simple for me brekkie. Do you think it's nice? Disgusting? Never tried it? Going to try it? All the bits off the tea. Oh yeah. And that little bit of butter, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, you got that butter on the top there. Lovely. As I say guys, just something nice and simple for this morning. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Try it. It's lovely.